Lens Width coverage of IBC 2023 is brought to you by Ulanzi Video Accessories, Small Rig, Big Dreams, Jiyun, Make It Real, and Godox, Embrace Creative Possibilities. Hi, we're at IBC 2023 and we're at the Orca booth and we're talking to Désirée. Hello, Désirée.
Hello, nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you. We met, I think, last year at the Orca booth talking about some other products.
Exactly.
But you have some new things that you want to show us. So let's start. What is this?
This is a new puppy bag, small bag for audio people. Audio people, they are working with a lot of small items, with
A lot of connectors for all sorts of accessories, basically.
Exactly. So you can put here all your small items. It's good elastic we are using. You see then the transparent things, you can close it. So if there's a lot of water or sand or whatsoever, then you can protect it. Here had a big part. Here small compartments, you can put here the small
SD cards, I'm guessing.
Yeah, exactly. So everything can be fixed very well. You can close it very easily. Here's another one which is the same. You can close it very easily and pack it and put it in one of your other bags, or you can carry it just with you with this, okay? And this is the OR119, we call it. Just new. You can buy it already. You can order them at your distributor and ask for this nice OR119.
Do you have a pricing for this?
I don't have yet the price, but it will come next week.
Oh, okay. Fantastic. Actually, I think that this is great, not just for audio recorders, but also for any photographer. We have a lot of small gear that we need to use.
Exactly.
And this is great for that.
Very handy too.
Fantastic. Let's look at the other thing.
You have a lot of small items always with you, as well for photographers, as for video, audio. You can put here all your small items. We made a package for 4 different sizes. It comes in this way. And then you can put all your stuff in it and put it in another bag if that is suitable for you. And we call this the OR180, 180.
Okay. And like the other ones, you still don't have pricing, but they will come.
Exactly. This is a heavy one. So you can put that. You can put water in it. You can put sand in it. If you put water in it, it comes with a bladder. And if you put sand in it, of course, you can open it. I can show you. This is the bladder who goes in it with the water. And it comes vertical or horizontal. And if it comes horizontal, you see with the H, then you know it's the horizontal one. And the vertical one is then in another way around.
Do you know how much water is on each side in terms of like kilograms or?
About in total about 10 kilograms.
Ah, okay. So it's a heavy.
It's a really heavy thing. So be aware. Don't drop it on your feet, I would say.
Fantastic. Again, pricing will be available a little bit later.
Exactly. So we have a full range of DSLR bags. This is the nicest DSLR bags for people who are traveling a lot. They want to pack a lot of stuff in it. And here you can change easily everything how you want to. You change this with the Velcro. For your camera, for your accessories, for your filters. There's a big zipper here to put your paperwork in it. Here's here also with your cards. You can close it very easily. And it's very handy to open it also from one side here. So then you close it here on the top and you open it here on the sides so you can pick here your stuff around.
Maybe you can show the back system of this bag.
You see, it comes with a very nice back system, very handy to carry, well padded, and you can put this on a card. So if you don't want to carry it, you can put it on the card.
I think that it has a place for a laptop in the back, or
you can put here your laptop in it, so you can tie it, and you can close it quite easily.
And if you want to connect a tripod, I'm guessing it's either on the sides or in the front.
Exactly. Here you can see it. So you can put here your small monopod or your tripod in it. We can attach it. So this is the way how it goes.
So this is the OR536.
That's correct.
And again, pricing later on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Do we have anything else that you want to show us?
Oh, well, if people are interested, come along or take care with your distributor or your resellers on the spot. We have a full line of DSLR bags, rucksacks, backpacks, or handbags.
And video.
And video, of course. Yes.
Good. So
Okay.
thank you very much, Désirée. And be sure to check out more videos from IBC on lensvid.com. See you in the next video.